Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a styling tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look, so stay tuned. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and slick my hair down. I'm going to be moisturizing my hair using a leave-in conditioner, and then I will seal it with an oil, and then I will use this Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed oil gel. This is actually my first time trying out this gel, so let's see how this one works for my hair. It's very important before using gel to moisturize your hair, so never forget that. I'm going to create a partition right here. I'm going to part my hair into two sections. Then I'm going to start moisturizing this back side, taking a bit of my leave-in conditioner. And then I'm just grabbing some oil. This is jojoba oil. So now that my hair is well moisturized, I'm going to start applying the gel. My goal is to have my hair lay flat. Since I have type 4 hair, my hair tends to poof up when I apply gel. As I mentioned, this is the gel that I'm going to be using. I'm just taking a bit of it and applying. As you can see, I'm concentrating more on the roots because that's the problematic area. And then I'm using my palms and I'm just working that in. Alright, so for this front section, I'm just going to repeat the same process. Moisturize my hair with the leave-in conditioner, seal it with some oil, and then I'll start applying the gel. So I'm not sure if I'll go with a middle part or a side part, so let's see. I think a side part will look best on me, so this is where I'm gonna part it. Alright, so I'm going to start working on this section right here. So I'm going to spray some water, make sure that it's very wet so that the gel can easily slide on. Alright ladies, so I decided to switch to do a voiceover because it was hella hard for me to speak while styling my hair at the same time. So as you can see, I am just applying gel. I'm applying it directly on my roots. And then I'm just using a rat tail comb to make sure my roots stay flat because that's the hardest part. So you just want to keep raking the roots until it lays flat, and then at this point you can switch over and use a hard brush to just smooth everything out. So once you're done with that section, you just want to put it aside and then grab another subsection, do the same thing, apply the gel directly on your roots, and then as you can see, I'm taking the rat tail comb again and I'm just smoothing it in. At this point, I'm smoothing both the sections together, and I'm also going back and forth with the rat tail comb and also using the hard brush. So I realized if you have thick hair, it's really hard for you to get your hair to just lay flat using a normal brush. So I advise you guys to just use a rat tail comb. And you don't want to pull or snag your hair. You're just doing it very gently, just at the roots so that it can lay flat. So moving over to the next section, I'm just spraying some water, making sure that it's very well moisturized. And I'm going to be repeating the same process, applying the gel. And as you can see, I'm also alternating in between the rat tail comb and also the hard brush. Using this method will get your hair laid as hell, guys. Laid. So if you're struggling, just try out this method. So once I was done with all the sections, I just pulled my hair back into the low bun. I'm also going in with a small toothbrush just to lay my baby hairs. And then once I'm done, I'm just tying a scarf. So it's not a must for you to do this, but I feel like this step is important because it just makes sure that your hair lays flat even more. Alright guys, so this is the following morning and I'm now taking down my scarf, and just look at the hair. My hair is so laid, guys. Yes, this is what I was going for. I don't know if you guys can notice, but I ended up brushing my hair backwards, and I also use this Lotta Body foam mousse because I didn't want my hair to have any flyaways. Alright, so I'm grabbing some of my old Hair-Given Hair Kinky clippings. This is what I'm going to use for my ponytail, and I'm just going to be opening them up and then clipping on top of the bun, and some of them I'm clipping on the side of the bun. So I'm just clipping that and then taking it all the way around to just, cover the bun, and then clipping it on that other side as well. So I'll just repeat the same process. I'm going to be adding more clippings, clipping that, taking it all the way around to cover the bun, and then clipping it on the side. So you just want to make sure that you keep adding the clippings until you're comfortable with the thickness of the ponytail. So at this point, I wanted it to be more thicker, so I went ahead and added one more clipping. I think in total, I ended up using 5 clippings. Alright, so once I'm done, I'm just fluffing the ponytail, just making sure that the bun is completely covered. And also to secure some of the clips, I'm taking a piece of the hair and then rolling it all the way around and securing that with a bobby pin. So this is just going to conceal all the clips that I have. So I decided to accessorize it a bit, and I added some colored bobby pins. These are actually a bit yellow tone or gold tone bobby pins, which I thought made the style look very, very cute. Of course, this step is optional. You don't have to do it, but I just thought it looked so good with the bobby pins. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I actually love how this hairstyle turned out. It's so elegant, it's so stylish, it's so chic. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel in case you haven't subscribed already. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I will catch up with you in the next video.